What's up, Lit Squad? It's your boy Johnny Lit, man. I'm back with another video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and join the Lit Squad. Y'all already know what's going on, man. Got the 392 right here. It's a little, yeah, I got it cleaned up today, man. It's all cleaned up, but today it's not a car video. Like I told you guys, it's not always gonna be about cars with me. So if you guys enjoy the content, though, just stick with the channel, man. Y'all already know we going up all 2021. But let's take a look where we at. Y'all see, we at the gun range today, guys. I got my 40 caliber with me. This is a Glock 23. Got the extended magazine, holds 22 rounds. Got the hollow points in there, but y'all know we ain't taking them in the gun range. That right there costs way too much money to be shooting in the gun range. So we gonna empty that. Yep. Make sure. Yep, we clear. We're gonna empty that because we shooting full metal. Y'all already know what's going on. Shoot full metal, man. You don't waste the good ammo in the gun range. But also, I brought my AR with me. This is an American tactical AR-15. You guys see it got the short butt stock right here. I got extended magazine with it as well. I think it holds like 40 or 45 rounds. I got the standard 30. I got the extended 30 round magazine. So, and I also got the red dot sight right here. So, y'all already know what's going on. I'm finna go ahead and go up in the gun range, and we gonna get to it, man. Got my man's G-Ball with me too. He gonna be in the gun range shooting. I believe he got 9mm with him.
Yes, sir. Yes,
yep.
sir.
So we finna go on up in the gun range and get that cracking. So I'll see you guys when we get in there. We pick our targets and we gonna get to it. All right, y'all. Y'all already know we up in here, man. If I'm yelling, my bad. I got these earmuffs in. We got the Glock right here, the AR. We gonna go ahead and start that. We gonna probably start with the Glock. I'm gonna load it up. Got the 5.56. Got the 40 caliber. This is my target right here. They ain't had no 9mm ammo, so G-Ball can shoot with no 9. It's over with. So I'm gonna get him the camera. He gonna record me, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and load this up. I'm gonna hold this.
I like that it's like quick for like 5 minutes.
Hold that while I load this up. I'm over here. Fuck you so far back, for boy. So I start with the AR or the 40, boy. Ooh. How we do that? Yes, sir. Tactical way. That's crazy how they don't got no 9mm, ain't it? Yeah. Wow. It's really a shortage. He said you gotta buy them online or something. Alright, G-Ball. You ready? You can film good. Get a good angle. Pay attention to the screen, like how you record.
I got you
come up here. You don't come all the way back there. You know? It's recording. So I'm finna go ahead and shit, I got 16 in here. Get hard to put in here when you get further down. I might just let this 16 rock. We're gonna go ahead and scoot it back.
Alright, I guess you go giant leg too.
That's how far somebody be back, right? Just pay attention to the screen, make sure it's a good angle.
Yeah. I will. I gotta watch more of those videos. Like I said, I only watched like 50, half hour of it.
Y'all see what's going on, man. Hit multiple times right there. He in there. Necked him a little bit. That's about 3 rounds. 3 rounds. So we hitting about 90%, man. That's a good still. So we're gonna try to sharpen it up a little bit. Okay, okay. Yeah. Boy, that one got pig. Precious.
John. If you're gonna shoot that fast, you gotta hit something. Slow it up.
I'm hitting all that shit. Not well. Bring that over here. Man, y'all hear buddy ass? If you gonna shoot that fast, you gotta hit something. Stop playing with me like I ain't necking this dude. Put good rounds in him. Stop playing. If you gonna shoot that fast, make sure you hit something. Boy, I'm hitting all that shit. Look, the little ones you could tell. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Boy, I missed probably like 10%. What's wrong with me? Okay. It's already ready to go, so be careful. Oh, yeah. They hit your head. Y'all see what's going on. Got the Glock, the AR. You couldn't shoot the 9, but it was smooth. So we gonna wrap it up, man, and we gonna chop it up with you guys outside. See you guys in a minute. Alright, y'all. Dang, it's dark out here. It ain't dark, but it's bad lighting. Alright, so we out the gun range, y'all. And y'all heard a dude in there. Well, I don't know if y'all heard him, but that's why I was going off like that. He was like, if you're gonna shoot that fast, you need to hit something. If you're gonna shoot that fast, you need to hit something. Hold the camera, G-Ball, or hold the picture. Matter of fact, I want you put your picture down. I'm gonna hold on to that. Look at this. Hold on. Dude talking about I need to hit something. Is this motherfucker not Swiss cheesed? Stop playing with me. Hold on.
It's winning.
It is windy. You gotta bear with me, G-Ball. Be a soldier out here. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
You gonna count everything?
No, I missed about 7 shots, and he talking about you shooting that. Boy, look, I done ripped the nigga motherfucking tendon off. I don't even know what it's called, but y'all get what I'm saying, man. Buddy over there, he just talking crazy. I guess, I don't know. He ain't like the attention we was getting, because as soon as that motherfucker went off, everybody ran down to our lane. Did they not, G-Ball? What the fuck that nigga got? Oh my soul. Alright, she was looking at you. I'm married. I ain't got nothing to do with that. Shit. But yeah, that motherfucker got Swiss cheese. Like, you know what I'm saying? The AR nasty. Y'all seen how that boy kick. Yeah, unfortunately though, they got a shortage on 9mm, so G-Ball wasn't able to shoot his 9, so I just let him shoot my 40. And shit, same thing, it's a handgun, so shit, it is what it is. So we had fun, man. We enjoyed ourselves. We let them rounds off. Should we show your target, G-Ball?
Yes, sir.
Y'all don't want to see G-Ball target.
Look at that. Look at that. Look at
Hold
that.
on. Look.
Look at that.
1, 2, 3.
Look at that.
G-Ball done scattered all around.
Man, that's because the AR.
Shot him, and guess what? He shot the bitch.
Hey, look. She survived.
He done shot the girl.
Hey, she
He done
survived.
shot the poor little hostage, man.
She survived out here.
What we gonna do with this man? Yeah, man. But if y'all like this video, man, make sure you guys like the video and comment and subscribe to the channel, because there will be some more gun videos. And y'all let me know right now in the comment section, should I bring Jazz to the gun range, and should I let her shoot the AR? Because the AR nasty. That mug kick. Feel like Tony Montana in that mug, boy. Yeah, the aim nasty, bro. I don't know what Buddy talking about in there. Like I just said, man, I don't know. He got little man syndrome. He hating or something. He need to cool out with all that, man. I don't know what his problem is, but we gonna keep it positive, man. We gonna keep going up all 2021. Y'all already know what's going on. Got the scat pack sitting out here looking nice. Cleaned it up today. I know I ain't been uploading in a long time, but who cares? Nobody cares about that. Back to these bangers, man. Johnny lit out.